We're here tonight to support the Concord Haematology Research Unit here at Concord Hospital. One, because the staff are just absolutely unbelievable, and two, because the research is world class.
Tonight I have to celebrate my life. The haematology department at Concord has, through the trial and through their exceptional work, has allowed me to overcome my Hodgkin's lymphoma.
I was part of a clinical trial, and it was designed specifically to test the effect of what it would have on my kidneys, and I was very fortunate to have a success with the trial and the transplant.
I was diagnosed at 19, 2012, with Hodgkin's lymphoma. I did chemotherapy, which was working to an extent. Then I found out my tumours were growing while receiving the treatment. Then they sent me off to Concord to participate in a trial drug. Doing this trial has been eye-opening because it's been a relief to me because it wasn't as intense and as scary as I thought it would be.
The haematology team, the trial team, saved my life, otherwise I wouldn't have been here to enjoy this evening or life and life with my family.
I'm happy to be part of the clinical trial and to come along and support them. And it's good to feel part of the community and encourage everybody else about all the great work that's going on.
One of the things about being on a trial is suddenly you've got something in common, suddenly you've got something to bounce off other people with, you know?
And if you're having any problems yourself, there's someone else that can totally relate to where you're at, the treatment you're at. So yeah, it builds a camaraderie.
I was diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and I've been on a clinical trial for the last 3 years, and I'm in remission, and I'm very happy.
So I've been on trial for CLL, chronic lymphocytic leukemia. I'm celebrating the fact that I'm around.
Really, the patient is our research partner in research. Whimsical is a study of Waldenstrom's macroglobulinemia, and it's a study where patients are doing the data entry themselves. It's a beautiful example of how patients not only are, in standard clinical trials, partners in research, but this is an example of where they're actually driving the research as well.
We thank you for allowing us to take science forward and create new therapies that will be mainstream in the future.
Since 2007, there's actually been over $25 million worth of groundbreaking treatments that Concord has been able to give to its patients. And I think it reflects two things. First and foremost, that Concord Haematology has given its patients groundbreaking drugs, but more importantly, that patients are receiving them. And I think, in effect, it shows that Concord Haematology is providing world-class treatments locally.
We can swan in and swan out, but we know for you it's really tough. It's really tough. And nothing inspires us more than knowing that you are at the cutting edge and that you are working with us to make sure that your chances of survival and your chances of a fabulous quality life are the best in the world.